The purpose of a night cream is to lock in moisture and soften the skin. See, at night, your skin switches from protection mode during the day to repair mode at night. This is why it's so important to keep your skin soft and flexible to help with the repair process throughout the night. The Whole Story Calming Night Cream is formulated as an emollient cream. It has vitamin C for repair. It has blue chamomile and white licorice to bring down inflammation. It also has 5 essential oils to soften your skin throughout the night. For maximum results, we recommend using the softening serum on clean skin, then applying any anti-aging products like our Renew Vitamin C cream. Then apply the Calming Night Cream directly on top. You can smooth it over your face and neck. You don't need to rub it in. It will gently absorb into your skin. We recommend using the Calming Night Cream as a system with the Essentials Evening Routine, which you can find at shopwholestory.com. And continue to stay with us so that you can get the whole story.